Hey, it's Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures, and I'm just outside Quebec City, and I want to pick up a few things, so I went into Dollarama. See? Dollarama. Just to grab a few things, and I was pleasantly shocked because I picked up this bag. Now, that's a pretty fair size cloth bag, so it's good. I can use it for other stuff that I have in the car, and I always, you're always trying to divide things, and once you're on the road you find, oh geez, I need a container for this. Hard containers are great for some stuff that can get damaged. Soft containers are great for things like clothes or little food stashes that you can throw in a bag. Anyway, this was the deal of the century. I got this, and the price was it 34 cents? 34 cents for that. Like, that's cheap. It's a good size. Like, that's the steering wheel behind it, right there. So, it's a good size. It seems strong. For 34 cents. Dollarama, I think you did a good job on this. It's not a bad price. And like I say, you can stash things in it and get a few of them, put things in your van or your car, and it keeps them collected so you're not flying around all over the place. Anyway, hope this video helped you stay organized on the road. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and safe travels. Take care.